Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of how DNA becomes RNA and the magic of the transcriptome. Let's get right into it. So imagine your DNA as a massive library filled with books, each book representing a gene. Now, not every book in this library is being read all the time. The ones that are currently checked out and read are the ones being transcribed into RNA. This process is called transcription. Here's how it works. The enzyme RNA polymerase binds to a specific region of the DNA known as the promoter. It then unzips the double helix and starts to read one strand of the DNA. As it moves along, it assembles a complementary strand of RNA. Think of it like copying notes from a textbook. This newly formed RNA strand is a mirror image of the gene's template. But wait, it's not quite ready. Before it can leave the nucleus, it undergoes some nifty processing. Introns, or non-coding regions, are snipped out, and exons, the coding sequences, are spliced together. This creates a mature messenger RNA, or mRNA, ready to head out and do its job, and that's where the transcriptome comes in. The transcriptome is like a snapshot of all the mRNA in a cell at a given moment. It tells us which genes are actively being expressed. Imagine it as a playlist of active songs in your DNA library. This playlist is ever-changing, reflecting the cell's needs and environment. Understanding the transcriptome helps scientists figure out how cells respond to various conditions, like stress or disease. It's a powerful tool in genetics, medicine, and biotechnology. Now let's move from the world of RNA to the proteins they help create. Once the mRNA reaches the cytoplasm, it meets up with a ribosome. Here, the mRNA's code is translated into a specific sequence of amino acids forming a protein. This process is called translation. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out a vast array of functions. They catalyze reactions, provide structural support, and regulate processes. Basically, they're the ones turning genetic information into action. So there you have it, from genome to transcriptome, and from transcriptome to proteins. It's a beautiful and intricate dance of life. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more science adventures. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.